I now have to move on to the other big story we're tracking here on India Today. And I'm shifting focus for a moment from India-UAE relationship now to sporting ties between India and Bangladesh. But let's step aside a little. It's ICC and Bangladesh. So ICC has read the riot act to Bangladesh, issuing a clear ultimatum to Bangladesh Cricket Board to take a call on either playing the T20 World Cup International in India or not play at all. Bangladesh has to respond by the 21st of January. So that's about 72 hours from now. Bangladesh is incidentally ranked 9th. It's under tremendous pressure after its request to swap groups and move matches out of India were turned down by the ICC. So either Dhaka shows flexibility and stops cutting its nose to spite its face. The ICC is also looking at other options. That is, replace Bangladesh completely from T20 International. Failure to comply would cost Bangladesh its World Cup spot. The 14th ranked Scotland is waiting in the wings. We get you more in this report.
Even before the cricket begins, a fierce contest is playing out away from the field of play. The BCB, that is been trying hard to get their matches moved out of India, has been given an ultimatum by the ICC to make its decision by January 21st. 9th ranked Bangladesh are on the defensive. Their request to swap groups has already been denied. With the BCB showing little flexibility on the issue, the ICC is now contemplating replacing them. Not budging is likely to result in Bangladesh losing the spot to Scotland, who are 14th on the ranking.
We believe that no one should have a monopoly over the game of cricket. The fate of a game or a tournament cannot be determined solely on the basis of market management. If the ICC is truly a global organization and if the ICC does not simply follow India's orders, then they should definitely give us the opportunity to play in the T20 World Cup in Sri Lanka. We will not accept any compromise on this issue.
Bangladesh still have the ball in their court, but they need to move away from stubbornness and choose cricket over ego. 21st January will give us answers that will shape up not just the upcoming T20 World Cup, but who knows, the future of the game too. Bureau Report, India Today.